Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to jump to a particular page number in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a lengthy document or just need quick access to a specific section, learning how to efficiently navigate through pages can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive right into it. Imagine you're working on a document with countless pages. Perhaps it's a report, a manuscript, or even a class project. Sometimes, you just need to jump straight to a certain page without scrolling endlessly. Luckily, Microsoft Word provides a simple shortcut to help you do just that. Let's explore how. First, you'll want to press Ctrl and G simultaneously on your keyboard. If you prefer another shortcut, pressing F5 will do the trick as well. Both options will bring up the Find and Replace dialog box, which is a powerful tool in Word. By using this feature, you can navigate through your document swiftly and efficiently. Once you have the dialog box open, you'll notice a list labeled Go to What. This list allows you to select different elements of your document to navigate to, such as sections, lines, or even comments. For our purpose, make sure that page is selected. This tells Word that you want to jump to a specific page number. Now, focus your attention on the Enter Page Number field. This is where you'll type the exact page number you wish to go to. It's important to be precise here. If you know the page number, just type it in. For instance, if you need to jump to page 25, simply type 25 in the box. After you've entered the desired page number, you have two options to proceed. You can either click on the Go To button, or, for keyboard enthusiasts, press Enter. Both actions will take you directly to the page you specified. You'll notice how Word seamlessly transports you to that exact spot in your document, making navigation a breeze. Finally, once you've arrived at your desired page, you can close the Find and Replace dialog box. Simply click on Close, and you're back to your document, ready to continue working or reviewing the content on that page. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to jump to a particular page number in Microsoft Word. Remember, mastering these shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity and make managing large documents much more manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Word and other software tools. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if there are other tutorials you'd like to see. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.